Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Monday, January 29th. Time is 8:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, big old drop overnight. Huge. Pretty much all the corrected from yesterday. Let's see here. Change is negative 45, 46 ticks. Price right now is 65.66. So, what do I think is going to happen? I'm not sure. We are in the oversold area. The 5 deviation line has been holding, and it's been holding for about the last, let's see, 5, 10, about last 30 minutes. So what I'm thinking is it's going to get broken down, and we're going to push on down to the 200 moving average here. So, I'm look to get into a short here in a bit. So, other than that, volumes maintaining right now, nothing spectacular. So, and level 2, nothing huge sitting off on the side there either. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna watch and I'll let you know when I'm in. All right, be back shortly. All right, guys, 10 contract short, 65.71. Oh, stop. It's going to be sitting at 77 for a 6-tick stop and look to pull half off at 61. And we're going to see if this 8 holds. So I'll know pretty quickly if I'm going to stay in this trade or not. So we're just going to kind of hold off. And we got the value area low right here. And there's a lot of orders building up in this particular area here. Typically I like the reversal sequence, but I'm not seeing anything that shows me one. So ideally what happens when I don't see the sequence is we leg down, channel for a bit, then we'll leg down again, or vice versa if we're going up. So all right, I'm gonna watch and we'll see what happens with this trade. All right, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, went ahead and pulled half off at 66. A bunch of absorption going on here. So right now, I think I'm just wanting to play these channels until something happens. Still a lot of indecision going on here. So half off 66 for 5-tick stop is moved to 72. Right here for a 1-tick stop. And let's see here. Yeah, we're just going to leave it there for a bit and see if we're going to keep on pushing down at this point. So I have no idea. All right, I'll be back. All right, stopped out there at 72. I'm flat now, and we got some decent wicks here. So everything says it should be going long, except what I'm seeing on the footprint. So, conflict here, and I think I'm just going to sit on the sideline until we get to these extremes again, which is in this box at 76 and right here off the -5 deviation line. So, not much to work with, 10-tick range, 11-tick range, but we'll see if we can get something in there. So, all right, flat at the moment. I'll let you know when I'm back in. All right, be back. Okay, guys, let me get stuff adjusted on the fly here. I'm short 65.60. Still in all 10 contracts. I got to get half off now. Let's see here. Market. That happened quick. All right, half came off at 45, so I think that's for 15 ticks or so. Down here, touch. I think we're going to have a reversal sequence. 48, okay, broke that. So we're gonna come down, touch this again, and I am going to look to switch. I'm gonna close the positions out, everything. 5 market. Okay, out of the market at 38, and let's see here. Man, this is looking like a fundamental move, but I am ready to take this long, so it looks like I'm going to be jumping in front of a falling knife. And I am long 65.41. Stop is going to be sitting at 31. Let me a second, get adjusted here. Stop. And I will look to be, whoops. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Hang on. Sell market. I'm in 20 contracts. I don't want. All right. Long 10 contract, 65.41. Wow, look like half's going to come off of that now. Let me go ahead and pull half off now. Nope, just came off. Are you going to come off? I'm lagging. Oh, it ain't set, that's why. All right. Okay, there we go. And then I got to get my stop set. That's it, all right. Okay, that's why I normally wait to fire the mic up, because it's kind of hard to concentrate and get everything adjusted at the same time. So 10, stop, 31, actually about 35 now. Okay, all right, that half should have came off, but it didn't. So all right, I'm out of the market. I'm flat right now. So let me sit here and watch. There's still a lot of down pressure coming into this one. At this point, yeah, I dodged a bullet on that one. Okay, guys, I'm gonna watch and I'll be back in just a bit. Okay, get ready to jump back in. Actually, I already jumped back in. 65.36, 10 contracts. This is a reversal sequence, and it's lining up perfectly off of this 200 moving average here, and being in the oversold area. This is where I like. So 9 and 19, 40, 30, 20 is the threshold, and that is just shy of the 1 deviation line. So I think we are going to be okay. Might have jumped in just a hair early. Yeah, just a bit. 30 is more ideal price to get into, but I think we'll be okay. I'm gonna set my stop for 28, 8-tick stop, and look to pull half off at 46. All right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I got half off at 46. I think that was about right here. And I think it was right there. Let's see here. So that leaves me 5 contracts long. 65.36. I am now going to adjust my stop. Yeah, we're coming up to break even at 36 now. Oh, hang on. 36. Yeah, we'll be at 36. I think that's still a bit tight, but we'll go with it. So stops to break even. Look to peel at 56 for my next point there, and will look like it's a good setup. So 1, 56. And submit. Okay, long 5 contracts, 65.36. Stop now sitting at break even, and next pill point is at 56 for 20 ticks. So we'll see if we can get on up there. I like this reversal sequence. So ideally, we probably push on back up to the value area low or better again, and we'll go forward from there. All right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I stopped out there, break even, and now I'm just going to watch. I might have one more trade in me. Actually, this big drop was pretty nice. The fact that I didn't get half off at 10 ticks and 15 ticks, and then I closed the entire position of another 5 ticks. So that's pretty close to profit goal, I believe. So I don't leave my account balance showing. So let me see what we're going to do here, and I'm just going to sit flat for a little bit and decide if I want to get into another trade or if I'm done. All right, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, didn't have to think about that one too long. Big time absorption at 25, hopped in there. Long 10 contract 65, 25, half. Okay, half just came off there. 5 contracts long 65.25, had half to come off at 35. Stop sitting at break even. I am going to be moving it on up to, stop was sitting at 20 for 5 ticks. Moving it on up to break even now. And this is going to be my last trade here. Gonna look to peel at, I'm going to pull 2 contracts off at 45 if we can get up there, and then I'm just gonna let the rest of them ride. The other 3 contracts is sell to limit. Okay, so currently 5 contracts long. I'm gonna see if I can pull 2 of them off at 45. And that will leave me 3 contracts long. I'm just going to move my stop to break even at that point. And I'm just going to walk away. And we'll see what happens here. Do believe that if this comes off, that will put me right at profit goal. And so these last 3 contracts is just kind of the home run hit. We'll see if we'll push on up 100 ticks or so. I have no idea. So, ideal, everything's lined up. This is the reversal sequence right here. 9 and 19 back. 40, 30, 20 would be the threshold. It's sitting at 18. And I like it. So push up, pull back, and then start pushing up again. Should break above the 8 moving average here. So, all right, guys. I have no idea what this candle is. I don't know why this move is. Didn't see anything in the news just yet. But I haven't actively looked at the news either, other than what's going on with Squawk. So, all right, I'll be back. Okay, guys. 2 just came off at 45 for 20 ticks. That leaves me 3 contracts long. 65.25 stops sitting at break even, and I am going to move it up to 30. So that's going to lock in 5 ticks. And now I'm just going to walk away from the markets here. So profit goal was most likely met or close to there. I have to do all the calculations after I'm done with the video. And we'll see from this point here. So I'm just going to let this last one ride. We're at 65.25, 66.25 is way up here. I'm going to set a 100 tick take profit sell on 2 of them. I think, yeah, for 2 of them, that's for $2 grand if that actually hits. So what I say, 66.25, 25 limit. All right. And we'll see what happens from this point. So, all right, guys, I will be back a little bit later. Chances are it's gonna fiddle around in this area for some hours. So, and I don't want to sit here and watch that. So, got other things I can get done. But everything's set to come off automatically, and I'll get an alert on my phone. So, I'll be back to wrap everything up a little bit later. All right, guys. I'll see you after a while. All right, guys, just getting back. Looked like I got stopped out, and that is a wrap for me today. So, not a bad trading day. I was able to catch some of this short, and then a little bit of the bounce, and wasn't expected to close below the 200, but hey, you never know. with trading. So it's always about risk management and being able to preserve capital and hopefully put a little more on top of that. So apologize for not getting an instructional video in this weekend. Got to be really busy for me, and came Sunday, I was really tired, so didn't get around to do it. But I'll get to it, guys, so don't sweat it. All right, I'm wrapping up, and you guys have a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right, bye.